Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to convert crypto on Coinbase app. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Coinbase mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see various options like buy, sell, send, receive, etc. Now among these options you will notice that there is one of the options of convert as well. So you need to tap on convert and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Here first you will have to select the from currency, and after that you need to select the to currency. Let's say you want to convert your Bitcoin into Ethereum, so you just have to make sure that it is selected like this. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to convert and then you need to click on review order option. Afterwards, you will be landed on the next page where you are going to see the information that you have mentioned previously, and it will also show you the fee that you need to pay. Here you just have to review the information and then you just have to click on the place order button in the bottom. Once done, it will show you that your order is now submitted and we will email you once this order changes status. So here if you click on the view order button, then you will be able to see the conversion that you have just made, and then it will show you that it is the Ethereum in your account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.